Okay, this is after at least an hour and a half of sanding. It's smoother, but there's a lot of these edges that I wanted to try to get rid of. But then part of me is thinking that makes it not as rough cut. You know what I mean? But those ridges were quite pronounced at the very first, and now they're quite smooth. Look how neat they look though. Like the knots. I left this a little bit bumpy. I'm gonna take a break from it for a minute and see what I think. Like right here, it had a little catch in it, so I had to sand down a little bit further. But this other side, let me see if I can roll it over with one hand, maybe. This other side is really pretty. So this side could be my top side. Looks like I have a couple more pieces I have to get. Because you don't want to be coming down the banister and then hit one of those with your hand. I couldn't get all the way through the oil right there. I can keep sanding it. This side is a lot more smooth. There's definitely a different texture in the wood. So this will probably end up being the top side. I just want to make sure when you come all the way down and you're grabbing onto it that you don't end up catching yourself. But see how when they have big snags, I have to sand past it. And then John will cut this off and make a nice finish, and I'll sand that as well. And then I'll put a clear coat. How's that? What do you think? All these edges are nice. Just about an hour and a half each piece of wood or more. Then I'll be done.